Hi friends, myself Subrata Mukherjee and you are watching my channel Dr. Subrata Mukherjee Distance Learning in Commerce. I would like to request all my viewers to subscribe the channel and to browse the playlist section of the channel where I have uploaded lectures on costing, accounts, financial management and management accounting earlier. Today I am going to discuss another problem on portfolio management. This is lecture number 5 and you can see the other lecture on portfolio management in the playlist section of the channel. The rates of return on the security of company A and market portfolio for 10 periods are given below. So we have three columns. In the first column, it is written the period from 1 to 10. Then we have the return of security A, which is given in percentage as 18, 20, 24, 26, 18, minus 5, 17, 19, minus 7, and 20. And the return on market portfolio, which is also given in percentage, are 22, 20, 18, 16, 28, minus 6, 5, 6, and 11. We need to calculate what is the beta of security A and what is the characteristic line for security A. So in the first column, I am writing the period from 1 to 10. In the next column, I am writing the return of security A, which is given in percentage as RA. So as 18, 20, 24, 26, 18, minus 5, 17, 19, minus 7, and 20. And in the next column, I have to write RM. This is the return of the market portfolio. It is denoted by RM, which is also given in percentage. So 22, then 20, 18, 16, 20, 8, minus 6, 5, 6, and 11. So in order to find out the value of beta, so beta is equal to COV of AM divided by sigma m square. So beta is equal to summation of RA RM by N minus summation RA by N multiplied with RM by N divided by sigma m square. So that is Rm square by N minus summation Rm by N whole square. So we have already given with RA, that is sum total of RA is 150 and sum total of RM is 120. So sum total of RM we have already calculated. Now two more parameters we have to calculate, that is RM square and RA into RM. So in the next column, basically I am writing RA and RM. This is the multiplication of RA and RM. So 18 multiplied by 22 is 396. Then 400. Then 432. 24 multiplied with 18 is 432. 26 multiplied with 16 is 416. 18 multiplied with 20 is 360. Then minus 40. 17 multiplied with minus 6 is minus 102. Then 95 minus 42 and 220. And the sum total of RA and RM is 2135. Now you need to calculate RM square. So 22 multiplied with 22, you will get 484. Then 400. 18 multiplied with 18, you will get 324. Then 256. 16 square is 256. 400, 64, 36, 25, 36, and 121. So sum total is 2146. So we are ready with all the values here, and just put these values in this equation. So we will get the answer to question A. So, 2135 divided by 10 minus 150 by 10, 120 by 10, then 2146 by 10 minus 120 by 10 whole square. So you will get the value of beta as 213.5 minus 180 by 214.60 minus 144. So 33.50 divided by 70.60, and the value of beta is 0.4745. So this is part A. Now you have to find out what is the characteristic line. So the equation of any line is given as y is equal to a plus bx. This is a general equation of a straight line. The return of security A is given, and the return of the market portfolio is also given. So return of security A is a dependent variable, and which depends upon the return or the performance of the market. So how the performance of security A is related with the performance of the market, and we have to find the equation of the line. So this equation, that is the straight line, is y is equal to a plus bx. So what is the dependent variable? That is the return of A, security A. So return of security A is a dependent variable, which is the parameter y. Then you need to find out the value of A. Beta we have already calculated, that is 0.4745, and x represents the independent variable, that is return of the market. So basically the return of security A, which is the mean value of security A, and the return of market is the mean value of the market portfolio. So RM, this is basically summation RA by N, which is 15. So RA, if you calculate it here, RA, that is the mean value of RA, is summation RA by N, that is 150 by 10 is 15, and RM bar, that is the mean value of RM, is summation RM by N, that is 120 by 10 is 12. So 15 is equal to A plus 0.4745, multiply this with 12. And the value of A is equal to 15 minus 5.694, that is 9.306. So the characteristic line is RA is equal to 9.306 plus 0.4745 RM. So if you want to predict what is the expected return of security A given the market rate of return, you can find it from this characteristic line, that is RA is equal to 9.306 plus 0.4745. So this is the characteristic line of security A. So I expect that all the students have recorded the question with solution in your notebook. And if you find any difficulty in understanding, feel free to communicate with me through email and the WhatsApp number given in the description box. Thank you. Thanks for watching the lecture.